What's going on YouTube? This is my first video ever of my firework stash. We're gonna start off with Phantom fireworks. It's a 205 shot phenomenon. I only seen videos of this. Looks pretty nice. Second, we're gonna go with Wickedly Awesome. Another big fan cake, 115 shots. Pretty nice. Another big cake, 95 shot. The Beast Unleashed. Pretty nice. Then I just came back from Red Apple and Pahrump, and I picked up these right here. 18 shot Triumphs, 500 gram cake. It's pretty nice. I also picked these up at Red Apple. Dino Judo, Current Events, the Viper, Light Brigade, Lion's Raft, and I've got this also at Phantom, big red one, and I pick up this 3 right here, silver screen. And I also picked these up here, Daffodil, Golden Peacock, and I got these from Jack's, Hell's Infernos, Day of the Dead. And I also picked these up right here, Tracer Fire, 2 of those, Midnight Monsters from Phantom, Palm Pyro from Phantom, Triton's Tempest, also from Phantom. And I also got these from Red Apple. They were having a special on these, 3 for the price of 1. Unleash the Beast. They're mortar shells, and also they're having a special on these, 3 for 1. Premium artillery shells. And I also picked up these right here. These are mine shells. And then I also got these Pagadas 60 gram shells, and Triumphs 60 gram canister shells. Alright, this is my stash for 2014, my first ever. Rate, comment, let me know. Thank you.